Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, bit of a disclaimer. I am actually on a mini vacation and I'm staying in an apartment and I found in the place that we're staying these pop culture surprise bags, and I wanted to show you guys. I did not bring any of my stuff with me to record, but so I am holding my phone, so I do apologize if there's any shakiness or we're up close. It's unfortunate, but I'm so excited to show you guys these actual pop culture surprise bags, and I couldn't wait to film them. I just couldn't wait till I got home. So I'm going to start. I purchased two. Each of these bags were £12 each. And inside the bag, it says that you get it contains at least 3 items and you get over £50 or €60 worth of pop culture collectors. I did feel these bags. I'm going to be really honest, they feel really similar. They were all exactly the same, so I'm hoping that we get different stuff in them, but you just never tell. They're totally surprise bags. So we're going to start with the first bag. The thing that drew me to these were the color of the bags. I mean, look at that pop of color. So I'm just going to throw a bag down here. And again, like I said, guys, I do apologize. I am filming with, I'm just going to have to bring it up close. Time to get them opened. Not easy to do with one hand, so I do apologize for all of them, for all of the back and forth. But I'm just going to go ahead and pull out the first item. Okay, the first item is this. I don't know what this is. Star Trek. So this is a Star Trek item, Star Trek Voyager, Star Trek Deep Space Nine, Enterprise, and the Next Generation. I do not know anything about Star Trek. I am not a huge Star Trek fan, but apparently this is a Nezicon fighter, and the code is 2067. Well, you can see the code. So not a big Star Trek fan. First item, bit of a bust, but I'm sure somebody will definitely like that, and I can absolutely donate. I'll just try and set that off to the side. The next thing I'm feeling, it's a book. Okay, it is a Kung Fu Panda 3 cine story comic. It's a hefty book for one of these mystery bags. So it says join Poe on his adventures. The recommended retail price for this is $14.99. So this is not even a UK price. And I'm going to, so this is like almost like a comic book inside. Nice little book. Not bad. So that's definitely a decent item. I feel a plush. Oh, okay. So this is a cute little plush. Very sad eyes though. Not so sad. I don't know what this is from. Oh, this is Animal Crossing. Very cute little guy. Almost looks like, I don't know. Is it a Simsim? Simsim? Something like that. Anyway, it almost looks like one of those little, I think it is a Simsim, but I'm not sure. Super soft. Really, really cute. Anybody knows the name of this little sad guy, please leave it in the comment section below. And I think the last item that I've got in this bag. So I'm so sorry, guys. I know I'm all over the place. Okay. I think this, last item in that bag. Oh, and we've got a pop. Okay, not a bad pop. It is the DC Heroes. It is the 447. And this is Gingerbread Flash. And this is so cute. Look, he's almost flat. I really, really like that. And even the little flash on the back of his foot is very flat. This is quite cute. There is a little dent in the back. Again, nothing major, just a little dented bottom, nothing huge. And these are the items that you can get in this collection. So that's not bad. I mean, these pops are probably worth, I don't know, £2-3. I don't know if I would pay anything more. And I have seen them on sale for £5. So if we go with £5 on that, I think a little plush is worth something around £4. So I'm kind of surmising that we have, with these two items, we have maybe £8 or £9. The Cinebook, I'm really not sure the price of a Cinebook, but it is $14.99. I would probably say £2-3 on that, and say we're probably at 13. Guys, this to me, the Star Trek, has really no value to me. But we could probably say it's worth £1 or £2. I think in total, we've probably got £15 worth of value to me. I don't think we got 30. Still got our money back, so I'm definitely happy with that. I mean, I think that's pretty neat. Okay, we're going to move on to bag number 2, and hopefully these are not the same. So again, guys, I'm really sorry. I do have to bring you right up close so that I can pop this bag open and see what we got. Okay, we got, I think we got another one of these. Oh my gosh, exactly the same thing. I'm not a Star Trek fan, so that's a bit of a bust for me. That's so sad. Okay, this feels exactly like the same bag. We got another Kung Fu Panda book, so I'm going to have lots of cine comic books. We got another pop. I can feel it. Oh my gosh, this is exactly the same bag. We got our second. So dupe, and dupe. So sad. If our plush if our plush is a dupe, I'm going to be really, really, really sad. Okay. Yay! We definitely got a different plush, so that's pretty awesome. These plushes, guys, I don't know what they sell for, but oh my god, they are super soft. This material is soft. The filling inside is super soft. And again, guys, I don't even know who this is from. Oh, this is another Animal Crossing, something I'm not super familiar with, but I think it's this person right here, or this animal right here. But again, a couple of pound on this. Still have no idea who this little plush is, so if you guys know, please comment below. So guys, I'm going to show you everything here. So this is what we got in both of these mystery bags. I think the pops are pretty neat. I think they're very fun. I like the Cinebook, the Kung Fu Panda Cinebook. I really like these little plushes. Probably my favorite thing inside the bags. And I don't know anything about Star Trek. Definitely not a fan. But for £12 per bag, so £24 each, I don't think this is a bad haul. I think I probably did get my money back. Some of this stuff that I'm not interested in, I will sell on. If you guys are interested, I do sell a lot of my stuff on Vinted, just in case you're interested. And I can, if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. I can definitely hook you up with my profile. Other things I will definitely give away. I do think, though, I'm going to go back and maybe buy one more bag and keep it for a video closer in a while, and see what we get. I think I'll have a really good route around this time and really feel what I'm buying. I did take one from the front. I took one from the back. They ended up being mostly the same, but I still think I got a really good haul. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. Really interested in your feedback. Let me know what you guys liked. Let me know what you weren't so impressed with. And if you guys would like and subscribe, feel free to share this video. I would be ever grateful. For now, guys, I'm going to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.